Hi, this is Vaughn with Tasty Fare 101, and today we're creating a cashew garlic butter made with the Almond Cow. And yeah, let's get started. That sounded stupid, huh? Okay.
Okay, Mom?
All right. Hi, this is Vaughn with Tasty Fare 101, and today we're going to create a vegan butter. All right, what I'm using today is not almonds, but I'm using cashews for this butter. So the first thing we're going to want to do is add that to a bowl. 1/3 cup there, and some apple cider right there. And we'll give that a mix. And then we'll set that aside for 5 minutes. And then we'll add that into our blender in just a few. Okay, well that's the way I make my vegan butter. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do. Enjoy your day. Thank you very much. This is Vaughn signing off. That was awesome.